In this short video, I want to show you how you can add or create a document, a presentation, a link in a Google Classroom assignment, and then turn it into me, because that seems like something we're struggling with as a class. So here I have an assignment. This is actually from Ms. Fellows. This is the thank you letter assignment. And as you can see, there is no file created for me right now. I removed that. I've got no file. But I did do the assignment. There's a couple ways that I can turn that assignment in. The first way, let's say I had created a Google document on which I completed that assignment. I'm going to go to Add. And then my Google document lives in my Google Drive, so I'm going to click Google Drive. And now I have access to everything in my Google Drive. So if I completed that assignment in a Google document, I can click on a Google document. If it was a presentation, I could click on the presentation. If it was a video, I could click on the video. I'll use a document here. Once I've chosen the document that I want to add, I just click Add. And as you can see, the document then shows up, and I can click Turn In. Now, the Google Documents aren't the only thing that you can add to an assignment. Some of you, for instance, created a Prezi for your last project, and the way to share that with me would be to add a link. So I would again go to the Add button. I'm going to click Link, and then I'm going to go to the website that I want to add. So for you, this would be a Prezi. This is just a New York Times article. You copy that URL, Control-C, go to Add Link to Assignment and hit Control-V to add the link, and click Add Link. And there is my link that I wanted to share with the teacher. There's one other feature of Google Classroom that I want to show you here, and that is before you create an assignment, or before you start an assignment, sometimes I don't create a document for you. So for instance, this thank you letter, there's no document created for you. But you can create a document. So you can click on this Create button, and then it allows you to create any one of these Google applications. So let's say I wanted you to make a presentation for me, and I hadn't included a template in there. What you would do is click Create, Presentation, and there you see that now the presentation has been created. And the advantage of this is it gives a title to it and my name already, so I don't have to retype those things in. So those are three features of Google Classroom that I wanted to show you. And then the final thing I want you to notice is that there's a big blue Turn In button. Sometimes it says Mark as Done. Those are the same thing. When you have completed an assignment in Google Classroom, you need to make sure you are turning your work in, or marking your work as done. It makes it much easier for me to go in and grade it and make comments. So you need to click on that big blue button. It'll ask you again, you can add a note to me. Click Turn In. And then you will know that you have turned your assignment in, because it will say in green, Done. Now you always can click on this Unsubmit button if you want to do some editing later. But you always need to be turning in your work.